who are the best companions. The Prophet, may God's peace and blessing be upon him, was quoted by Ibn Amr as saying, خير الأصحاب عند الله خيرهم لصاحبه, and خير الجيران عند الله خيرهم لجاره. The companions whom Allah considers best are those who are best to their companions. And the neighbors whom Allah considers best are those who are best to their neighbors. What the Prophet ﷺ is stressing here is that when we consider companions, who are the best, who we should consider to be the best, should be those who are in their own actions the best to others. Because if they are bad to others, if you see them, you hear of them, you observe them being bad to others, these should not be your best companions. The Prophet ﷺ warned us to choose our companions well, because we will be raised on the Day of Judgment with our companions. So therefore, we should be careful with whom we choose as our companions, meaning those who we hang out with. Because, as the Prophet ﷺ also said, that a person will follow the religion of his friend. The way his friend is the way he is likely to be. This is the nature of people, that they're influenced by their companions. So we should be very wary about who we take as our regular, close companions. Another example that the Prophet gave, may God's peace and blessing be upon him, that the good companion, he said, is like the perfume merchant. Either you are going to walk away with some perfume which is given, or you are going to walk away smelling good because of all the bottles of perfume that he has opened. So one way or another, you're going to go away smelling nice. That is like the good companion. The evil companion, the Prophet ﷺ warned us, is like the blacksmith who is beating iron over coals, sparks are flying. Either sparks are going to hit your clothes and burn it, burn holes in it, or at least you will go away stinking of smoke. That is the nature of the bad companion. In the West, they say if you lie with dogs, you will get up with fleas. It's the same idea. The example that the Prophet gave is a little more elaborate and more nice and eloquent. But that's the point. The point is that you are influenced by those around you. So be careful. So the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ had said, given us a sign and a way for us to know who are the good companions, who should consider to be a good neighbor, is the one who is good to his other neighbors, not just one who is good to us. Because if he's good to us and bad to other neighbors, really, he's not a good neighbor. Maybe he's good to us because he wants to get something from us, he's seeking some benefits or whatever, you know. This is the nature of people, that they may be good to us, but they're not really good people. So we should be careful, beware of who we take as our companions, as our good neighbors, in the sense that we spend time with them. We go to visit them regularly, we invite them to our homes, we have that kind of a relationship with them. We should be careful.